Have you ever walked into a place and wondered how it got so bad? Well, that's exactly what happened to me and my team when we received one of the biggest cleaning jobs we have ever seen. We were hired to restore a massive World Cup stadium that has been left in a terrible condition. What was once a world class venue that hosted thousands of football fans has become a dumping ground filled with trash, dust, weeds, and years of neglect. This is I and my team. We are picking the trash, the bottles, the cans, try to clear the field so we get to,
Team A, take the
set
north
up a
quadrant.
space
Moving out to
where
zone
some
4.
of the equipment will be placed. Finally, we are able to clear the field. The pitch was getting ready.
Keep pushing that
The
line.
trash can is being taken out by my team. It
Let's
was a
keep moving.
hefty job, which we did not
The
finish
north
in a
end is
day.
looking
Now, the
great.
second
Yeah,
day,
we made quick
we
work of that.
concentrated
Let's
on
get to
the
the next
posts.
game.
Some of my colleagues were clearing the trash, and
Keep moving.
in two
Looks
days, we
great.
are able
Keep the eye
to,
clear.
clean the
Push it
green
towards the
areas.
cart.
Now we moved over to the seats, right?
That's the
This
step
is the
there.
seat is
Get these
so
tables
damn
set up now.
dirty.
Copy
Some
that.
We are
people
on
we
it.
are asked to walk on the seat. Some people we are asked to walk on the floor. Some we are picking trash from the seats, all the cans, and some we are mopping. Some we are washing the floor, and we are equally using machines to do that. It was not
All right,
easy,
second half
but we
clear. Let's
all
focus on the
kept
west
on
now.
pushing.
We're
But
almost through this
we
section.
all
Let's
kept
take a look.
pushing. The target
Let's go
was
under these
for us
seats.
to
There's a
be,
lot of extra.
round up this 300,000 jobs in a week. All right. Some sets concentrated on the floor, keeping it clean. It was damn dirty. It was damn dirty. The dirt
Keep
on it,
sweeping
we
that
had to
trash. Move the scrubber
use
down this lane.
the pressure
Heading to section
machines,
210.
to be able to
Okay,
wash them
team.
clean.
Let's
Now,
get
this
this
is
area
the
spotless.
restaurant
Scrubber
areas.
on.
We are
Floors look
equally
rough.
washing
Hose is
it.
ready.
Okay,
Attacking the
it
grease.
was
Keep it
dirty,
moving.
and everybody was on the
Looking
deck.
good.
The bedroom
Almost
area
done
was
here.
equally washed
Nice and clear.
by some sets. Okay,
Keep working
and
on the carpet.
this is
Okay.
the VIP
Wipe
area.
this
Some
down.
people were
Nice and
equally
clear.
at this section walking. Some people were equally at this section, this area. Some people were here too. Right now, this is on our day 4. On our day 4, the bedroom aspect, some sets equally came in. Now, I and my team worked more on the pitch part. Now, this is done by professionals. It was professionals that did this part. Equally, this part was done by professionals and they did a very good job. Like, they did a
Keep those
very
jets
good
moving.
job. The
Check the
outside
hose
part of the
connections.
stadium was equally worked on, equally
Almost
washed.
done with this section.
All right, and this equally was done. Now, I and my team equally did this part, this outside part. We did the clearing, the
The short
sweeping,
ball
the
signs is
washing,
correctly
and
positioned. The
the
field look is not
inspectors
perfect.
came and they
All right,
went
let's
through
sign
what
off
we
on the final
did and
checklist.
we are giving
We
accolades
finished it.
completed. And we were so happy.
Great
Yeah.
job, everyone.
Job
Yeah.
done.
All
It is
right.
what it was a well done job. We did a good job and we were equally, congratulated. The outside was equally, beautified with some flowers. The stadium became so beautiful. What do you think? Do not forget to subscribe, guys, and like the video.